Hey guys, it's Ron DeSanto here with another real estate video. I wanted to help everybody out here with Authentisign. Now, when you receive an Authentisign email from me or any agent as a matter of fact, who's using Authentisign, you are going to get the email that looks like this. Well, right here, you're going to see my big logo. That's personal to me, but your agent might have their picture or another logo there. That's not important. You just scroll down to where it says Start Signing. Now, if you've never used Authentisign before, then when you hit Start Signing, it's going to ask you, well, first it's going to load the document, and then it's going to ask you to authenticate your signature. Now, it's going to automatically populate a signature for you electronically. You can either go ahead and accept that signature and just hit accept and don't show me this again for the next time you want to use it. Or you can draw your own signature. I personally recommend just go ahead and accept the signature they present to you. But if you wanted to change it, you just click it here, and then you have to use your mouse to kind of sign. And it's really sloppy because I'm trying to use a mouse. If you have an Apple iPad with an Apple Pen and you could do it better, then maybe you want to do it that way. But as a personal preference, doesn't really matter. And the same thing with the initials. You click there and you can draw your own initial, and it'll carry that through all the signature blocks of the contract. So after you're done here and you decide that, or you could change the font here with the electronic they present, but we won't get too much into that. So if you want to accept it, go ahead, accept it. And then now with the next screen it's going to bring you to is the actual contract. So up here you see 0% signed. And to start signing, you hit the start button right up here. But before you hit the start, just go ahead and read through the contract. And you could just scroll down, and these yellow boxes, these are all of the places where it's going to automatically bring you for signatures. Well, this is an initial block and initial block right there. And then, oh, my head's in the way. And down here is going to be the, let me see if I can move that. There it is, the signature block. So you review it first, look it over, and then you hit start, and it brings you right away to the first one. And you just tap it, and it automatically puts down that electronic signature or electronic initial that you decided on earlier. It just puts it down right there, and the realtor may have you initial in certain spots that they feel are important. Right here, this is something where I pen this in myself. Property to be sold as is. It's not part of the standard contract. This is so I might want to draw your attention to that initial there. And then you get to the signature block right there. All you have to do is tap it, and it puts that signature down for you there. Now, when you're all done, you hit complete signing. And after you do that, it's going to ask you, do you want to create a password? Me personally, I never create the password, because if you don't have to create a password, but if you do create a password, it'll always require you to put in your password before signing in the future. And you're probably going to get more Authentisigns from your agent, because the first contract you sign might be a purchase agreement or a listing agreement. There's going to be a lot of things, addendums and things in the future you're going to have to sign. So if you don't want to keep having to remember a password, I would just go ahead and put no thanks. And that's it. You're all done. You're signed. Just maybe confirm with your agent, let them know that you signed it, and that's it. Leave comments below, and I'll be happy to answer all questions. Have a great day.